Good morning. So I did a thing again. I got the kids loaded up in the car as we got another call to go pick up some chickies. Yes, I ordered more chickies. These ones, however, have a different purpose. They are not egg layers, they are our meat birds. So we're gonna head over to the post office and pick them up. So stay tuned. All right, we are home and we got our new friends. Chirp, chirp, chirps. I'm gonna peek in there and then peek. Now I gotta go grab all my supplies so I can get them situated in their new, well, their new home for now. It'll be the start like I did the other ones before they get moved out into the chicken coop, and then once they're big enough from there, then they can go outside. But first they have to go in their little pen where it can be nice and safe and warm, and in the porch. We won't put them in the house this time. They could probably go in the coop too, but I like having them a little closer to home the first little bit just so I can keep better track of them. For now, well, first I'm going to put these guys in the porch so I can go grab the rest of my supplies, and then we'll go from there. So stay tuned. All right, I got their little spot figured out, or at least set up. We need the water and food in. I'm trying to tip that so it doesn't leak a whole bunch of water in there. Okay, and now for their food dish. And then we get to do like we did last time and chick by chick, make them touch their little beaks to the water. Meredith's super excited. What do you say, Cheep Cheeps? Oh, wow. Hi, Cheep Cheeps. Remember, are they Cheep Cheeps?
Chickens. The black one. No, it's chickens. Chickens. It's chickens.
It's Cheep Cheeps. Hi there,
No,
Cheep
no,
Cheeps.
it's not chickens. It's chickens. Grab.
No, not yet. Okay, deep in water.
I see one.
Sweet. Deep in the water. Are you thirsty?
Oh,
Yeah?
You want to pet in here? On her body? Oh, he's thirsty. He's drinking. Oh, good tasty one. Good tasty. I think we got two specials. Oh, flavor! That's the weird one. I want to touch it.
So there you have it. We have 20, oh, don't dump that. We have 20 Red Ranger meat birds. And then of course I sent you the special one, and I don't know what he is, or she. It's definitely a funky looking one though. Look at that, Cheep Cheeps. Cheep Cheeps. What do you think? What? What? Oh, you like them? Meredith sure likes the Cheep Cheeps. So that's the new members of the farm. They'll, like I said, they'll be in here for a little bit as they get accustomed and have the heat lamp, and I can keep track of them a little better. If you like this video, click that like button. If you haven't already, click that subscribe button. Yeah? And don't forget to ring that bell to get all the notifications when we upload a video. Thanks for watching. Bye.